Okay, let's start off with gold. So this week has been nice for this pair. Definitely breached 1815, but failed to close below it. Came into 1830 and that sent us down. The daily, you can see we had a lot of news coming out. Inflation, Jerome Powell's testimonies on Friday, Thursday, and Wednesday. Finally had, after a fairly bullish um, break out of 1815, out of this consolidation that we had. As you can see here, we were consolidating, broke out of it. I was saying, looking for the retest on this to take this higher. But what I did see was nice level at 1830 that just held us, just kept us in check, if you see. And that ultimately brought us falling back down to 1812, below 1815. So definitely bearish going into next week for me on this. Daily, I do feel like now we could see 1790, maybe head higher after that. Or are we going to continue this overall trend and come back to 1680? We'll see. GJ was lovely. I am mad. I wasn't able to profit off of it. But it happens. After this lovely move into the lows off of that retest, as you can see, had the retest. Lovely. What happened on this then for me? After we had that, and then on Friday we had the nice reversal straight out into there. On Monday, I was like, okay, let's see what happens. Monday we had this nice push straight in. I was saying this is looking like a head and shoulders. It was. And although we got stuck at 152 for quite some time, even in 152 itself, it gave us some lovely trades. And I was targeting 151 back to the equal lows. And you can see, I think we just ran out of time here. So I do fully expect this to go up to 151. Now, people are saying that the pound is bullish because we are coming back. They're easing restrictions on the 19th. So we'll see how this plays out. But for now, we still have a nice daily trend. Of course, you've seen that first drive into the low, second drive. Maybe give us a third drive. And if we then see that push up, maybe we can start to look higher again, back to 156. But on that was how GJ played out. And on GU, this one was lovely for me. Coming into it this week, we obviously had this, and I was like, could we see 1.42 again? And look at how this week closed. Back at 1.37. So the key thing for us is 1.37 going to be able to hold? In the daily time frame, on Monday, I targeted a short on this. After seeing this move here, coming back into it, I saw that doji, I was like, okay, maybe we can take it the other way now. What did I look for on that? Sales coming to 1.39 and this level. Pick up the money flow, and I was looking for an entry right there, just to take it even there, and maybe down here. But as you can see, it slammed our take profit nicely. Of course, I missed that trade because it was done and gone without me. Really hurt my soul, but it happens. Then we came back in to this 4-hour band, as you can see. Picked up the money, spiked into it 1, 2, 3, nice 3-pin pattern, retested, and fell. Actually, absolutely lovely. Gave us numerous opportunities on the lower time frame to enter. Although it would always have these aggressive spikes, London, which would breach Asia's high, and then it would just go back normal. Well, not normal, it then go in the other way. Well, as you can see here, it retests this level and then keeps heading down. My key thing that I learned this week was I focus on my entries. Even though I didn't take any trade, I need to know what I'm looking for exactly to the finest detail before I enter a trade. And I really believe trading is something that's going to do really good for me. I need to work on my routine. Sometimes I sleep too much. I'm stuck on Instagram for too long. But this chart, I love making money on this because it's fulfilling. When I enjoy it. Even like this week, I didn't make any money, but I enjoy doing this. Have a good weekend, guys, and I'll see you next week.